Hi friends, today I have a special unboxing, the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo Fountain Pen collaboration with Esterbrook. I got it at Yoseka Stationery, so let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie of Coquette Natalie, and I can't believe I'm finally opening this package up. I got an email last week from Yoseka because I think there was one day I just went through all the different sites that was in the US that sold the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo fountain pen and just signed up for alerts. So like Jet Pens, I think there was Atlas Stationers, like a bunch of them, just to see if there was a restock somehow that I could get this pen. And somehow it came through. I'm so happy because I did lose out on the Esterbrook one and it was, of course, already sold out. So I'm excited that I was able to nab this and at Yoseka, one of my favorite stationery stores in the United States. So yeah, I'm going to open this, and they have a little bag here, gift, like a bag besides the box. So I'm going to open that first and see what that is. Yoseka is really, really sweet. I just want to start off by saying I had a friend that was her birthday, one of my besties. She loves stationery, and I ordered a bunch of stationery things, and then I messaged them separately asking them if they could wrap it cute like they usually do, and they were so happy. So, I mean, like there's such good people, and there's little nice touches, and everyone knows how like we all love stationery, right? So yeah, they're really sweet people there. So I'll leave you a stationery sticker. It's really cool. Thank you for ordering with us, Natalie. I hope you love writing with your new Esterbrook fountain pen. Have a wonderful day and happy writing, Anna. Oh, this is really pretty. I'm gonna stick this in my Hobonichi. And then, oh, they have like a little postcard daisy. They have a new postcard now, I guess, about how they all started. That's really cool. And then, so this is kind of new in their new products. This is really nice. And then they wrapped the fountain pen its own little bag. It's like tissue paper. It's right here, Tabletop Treasures. Look how pretty it is. Look at the foil on here. Oh, and you can see I got a fine nib. That's what I wanted. And then this is about their collaboration. Oh, so I'm really curious to see with this pen, because they have like the swirl part of it. The coffee part is done by, I think it's Carolina Pen Company. So this is really pretty. You can compare it. This is my Esterbrook Estie in Winter White. You can see how the difference, how this has this little like band over here. Oh, this is beautiful. This is exactly what I would wanted. Just the right way. I like my coffee with cream in there, milk, and it's just swirling perfectly. I think some people don't like when there's too much red in there, but I don't have a blotch of red at all, really. So this one is really beautiful. I'm really, really happy with this. And then you can see the emoti on the head. Let me see if I can focus this. On the nib, there's an emoti. And then I think Helen is trying to work with Esterbrook to see if they will be able to do these and sell these nibs separately. So you can, it's one pen per customer, so that you can actually buy different nibs. Because that's one of the good things about Esterbrook fountain pens, is that you can change out the nibs. I haven't done that yet. I bought a couple extra nibs on mine, but they're very easy to change out. That's what I really love about these fountain pens. I wouldn't be afraid. I mean, if you've never used a fountain pen, you can't go wrong with Esterbrook, and they're so pretty. And this is now my third one. Okay, so I'm going to close this so I don't ruin it somehow. This is really nice. Let's see what else is in here. So this is like the cushion for the, and then you get one ink cartridge, and I highly recommend, like, if you are afraid to have a whole vial of ink and whatnot, definitely use the Esterbrook black ink pen. I used it in my, I have one Botanical Gardens. I love that black ink. It's so good. I think their black ink is perfect. So that's, and then there's some cute stickers here. This is really cute. And she's writing with the fountain pen icon, stickers, some ink, writing. Oh my God, and cleaning her fountain pen. Oh my God, so cute. So cute. And then I think you get a QR code to like register your pen. Yeah, on their site. They have very good customer service at Esterbrook. I really like them. And this is like the pen, I guess the pen pillow. And then there's like a little surprise at the bottom of the box, which is really adorable. So these are all the things with the pen. And then I'm going to clean the pen really quick. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to fill it up with the Forgotten Iced Coffee ink. So let me close this up. Okay, so I'm going to roll up my sleeves and I'm going to show you the inside of the fountain pen. I'm not an expert, but I feel a lot more comfortable now doing this than before. So what's inside your fountain pen? This is the converter, and this is where the ink goes. And so basically, if you didn't use a converter, if you wanted to just use the ink cartridge, you would just, let me just show you this. If you wanted to just not worry about it, Esterbrook does sell ink cartridges in their black and their blue. So you can just get ink cartridges. And I think they are universal size. I think just Sailor cartridges go in Sailor pens. You would just take this ink cartridge, stick it in here until it clicks. You'll hear it click, like you'll feel it click in. And then you can use your pen. So we're just going to put this back in here. I'm not going to use this, but I'll use it later on, my other pen. And then the same thing with here. So this is a converter. You can see here, you can, move it down and move it up like that to fill the ink. So I'm putting it down right now. And this is the space. I'm going to actually try and I'm going to fit it into to where the nib is. And don't be scared. It's going to feel it click sound. You're going to feel it click in. There we go. So it's in there now. What I'm going to do is, let me move this aside. I'm going to take the ink bottle of the ink. This is Forgotten Iced Coffee. Let me show you what it looks like. Forgotten Iced Coffee is here. It's a really nice kind of like pale brownish grayish color. And this is my Robert Oster TCMC collaboration of their Coffee Monster color, which I have in this Esterbrook Estie. So we can compare them. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. And what you want to do is, I don't have my camera facing the other way, but I'm going to put this down and then I'm going to slowly turn back up. When I turn this way up, it's going to fill up with ink. Okay, you can see it's filled up here. I don't have to fill it up all the way. I'm going to wipe it off with a paper towel. I've kind of just gotten it a little bit damp, so it can wipe off nicely. And then, oh, of course, I got some ink on me. Okay, so I had to wash my hands. I couldn't get all the ink off completely, but you can see now the ink is in here. I'm going to just, you don't want to turn that because it's going to squirt the ink out. So now I'm going to close this up. And let's get some paper. I have my Hobonichi here, so I'm going to write in there. Let's move this aside. Just want to see. This goes here. Oh, it's really nice. It's like a nice, like grayish brown. Let's see. Wow. Let me try and. I love how, I feel like I'm really glad I got a fine because the colors and the subtleties shows through. Sometimes you don't really get that with fine nibs, but you do with the Esterbrook. And extra fine is just a little more fine. You don't get the nuances, but I think this one still does. So this was TCMC Coffee Monster. Maybe I haven't used this one in a while. Maybe it's dried. Okay, so I was able to get this working again. So this one is TCMC Coffee Monster. collab with Robert Oster. Okay. And this is fine. I forgot what they do to make you. It flows really well. It's a little bit, you can see the difference. Oh, this is extra fine. Sorry. Oh my gosh, I was like, so it's EF. It's a little bit thinner. You can still see the nuances of the color difference. And I just feel like the fine, it doesn't feel scratchy with the extra fine nib, but I just love how the fine feels when I write. And I usually write in fine in this journal. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. Now I have I can actually put my TheCoffeeMonsterzCo pen on the pen holder. And yeah, really, really happy with how this turned out. Worked out really well. I actually like both a lot. This one's just a nice subtle like touch. It's very like, it's like, you know, you have the iced coffee and it's watered down the coffee a bit. It looks really cool. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I love the TheCoffeeMonsterzCo, as you guys know. And then I also love my Esterbrook Esties. So these are like, I don't even use my TWSBIs anymore. I really love writing with them. I like the spring-loaded cap. I think they're just really, really great writing instruments that are actually really beautiful as well. So I'm really happy with this new fountain pen. I'm so happy to have this on my collection. And yeah, I'm looking forward. I hope they collab on even more fountain pens or more projects in the future. Esterbrook seems to be moving into a lot of cool directions, feeling very modern in this fountain pen world. So I really like that. And anyway, thank you so much for joining me. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.